रोहित, मी तुला खूप प्रेम करते. आपण आयुष्याची नवीन चॅप्टर आता सुरू करणार आहे. त्याच्यासाठी मी खूप एक्सायटेड आहे आणि बस आपल्या दोघांचा साथ असंच राहू आणि आपण क्या बोलते आगे मी कोणी बोला आपण असंच राहू लाईफ टाईम.
My definition of love is only Hetal. I fell in love with her at a very young age without really knowing what love meant. But over the years, the courage she brought into my life, the trust she has in me, the way she loves me unconditionally, and the way she stands by me in every decisions, that's what really truly became for me.
मेरी जिंदगी मेरा हर पल है जुड़ा तुमसे, हर दम होगा सफर साथ हर पल, कभी न होंगे जुदा तुमसे हम दम.
So Rohit, I know the journey of planning the marriage, convincing parents and all has been an up and down journey, but all I want to say is that we have made this far, and life is going to be a roller coaster ride, and I'm very sure that both of us together will take this journey through. So don't worry about anything, just enjoy this day.
सितारों से सजी हंसी ये शाम है, इसका मिजाज भी कुछ और है. थाम कर तुझे इन बाहों में रख लूं मैं अब यूं ही उम्र भर. तुझसा हंसी इस जहां में न कोई मिलेगा, आंखों में तेरी मैं यूं गुम हुआ.
So it's a mixed feeling. So it's like I am leaving my parents' house and starting a journey with Rohit, a journey which which we were excited about. And when we initially started dating, we used to discuss कि अरे शादी के बाद ये करेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे. So it's a very mixed feelings that I have. That sadness is also there of me leaving my parents' house, but also the excitement, the happiness of starting a journey with a person whom I had decided long back that I want to be, and finally we have achieved that thing.
The energy she brings into my life is unmatched. She'll always be my sparkle girl for life and now my wife.
तेरा साथ दूं हर पल, अभी वादा मेरा ये जान लो. तेरा साथ दूं हर पल, अभी वादा मेरा ये जान लो. मेरे साथ तुम अब है जाने न दूं मुस्कान तेरी. तेरा मैं हुआ हूँ, तू मेरी हुई है. तेरा मैं हुआ हूँ, तू मेरी हुई है.
I promise to be your man in every life that I get and to make each one even better for you.
तेरी जगह इस दिल में फिर कोई न लेगा, तेरे ही प्यार में यूं गुम हुआ. गुम हुआ मैं यूं
पर्वतात बर्फाच्या राशी, हिमालय पर्वतात बर्फाच्या राशी, सचिन रावांचं नाव घेते रोहितच्या लग्नाच्या दिवशी.
चाह तुझे है दिल ने कुछ ऐसे, साथ तेरा हो हर जहां, है इब्तिदा में तू हो इंतहा भी, राहों का तू रहनुमा है, तू है शामिल मेरी दुआ में, हर कदम तू आसरा, हर एक मंजिल मुझे हो हासिल, हो अगर तू आशना. दास्तां लिखी है निगाहें मिली जो एक दफा.
That's in every girl's dream, you know, that Mangalsutra moment, that Sindoor moment plays a very important role in every girl's life.
समय भी कभी यूं बेपनाह का है, वही आसमां.
Just like another girl, even the Sindoor moment is very special to me. So yeah, you know, I am imagining all wo Sindoor lagana, a little Sindoor falling on the nose, those goosebumps, and also I'm very, very excited about a Sindoor moment. And I hope Rohit has practiced it well because I've told him to do that.
Hetal was always the one. There was never anyone else. Every day, all the time, it was always her. I can't explain in words, but it was just something always I knew.
So baby, I would just like to tell you one thing. Like I said, love is friendship for me. I will always be your best friend forever. And yeah, whatever it is, we are going to start a new chapter in our life. And I want you to be the most comfortable with me. Don't think about anything. आगे कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. We have come so far and I am damn sure अपना आगे का life भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. Yeah.
Grow longer and nights grow shorter as I free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. The days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly निकले कुछ की तरह. Then I see, I feel no sorrow. चले निकले कुछ की तरह, like a firefly. Open a night.
The day I decided to choose Rohit as my life partner, it has a very interesting story, so I'll just narrate it in a short frame. So apparently Rohit had already conveyed it to my friend that he had a feeling for me, and he had told her not to share it with me, but just girls thing she had already told me. And you know, it was kind of a planned proposal that I had told that okay to my friend that now you can tell Rohit to, you know, to propose me and tell me that, you know, we can go ahead in our life. So that is a very interesting story that is there in our relationship. So he thought that till all this while he does not know that I know that he has feelings for me, but I already knew it. And I had, through my friend, I told him that, you know, ab tu mujhe propose kar, and then the story continued. Yeah. Baby, I love you so much, and yeah, finally we have made it. It's the hero wedding finally.
Actually, I'll tell you the moment I truly noticed her. It was inside a classroom. I was sitting with a close friend, and Hetal was around us. We were 14-year-old back then. My friend suddenly looked at me and said, "You know what, Rohit? I think she'll be your wife one day." And oh my god, after so many years, that actually came true. Even today, that gives me goosebumps.
Say something in Marathi. Oh God, this is something very difficult you have told me to do. मतलब ओके, मी मोरेची सून बनून तुमच्या घरी येत आहे अँड मी त्याच्यासाठी खूप एक्सायटेड आहे. तुम्ही सर्व मला खूप प्रेम करतात आणि मी पण तुम्हाला खूप प्रेम करते सॉरी. या आई डोंट नो, इससे ज़्यादा मराठी मेरे को नहीं आती है.